previous video, we installed Ubuntu 18.04 using Vagrant, but we did not spend time on Vagrant file. I will put a link below in case you want to check it out. In this video, we are going to look at one part of the Vagrant file. Let's get started. We are going to open a new terminal, change to F drive, change directory to Ubuntu 18.04, clear the screen. Let's open this folder in Visual Code by running command code -r dot. Click Vagrant file to open. Here is the Vagrant file that we used in the previous video. We can see that we only need this line for Vagrant to start our Ubuntu box. Let's scroll down a bit. And today we are going to look at the provider part, which we will configure the box to start with GUI. First, let's check if the box is running by using command vagrant status. What happened? It says the term Vagrant is not recognized as the name of a commandlet. Oh, I see. I misspelled Vagrant. Wrong again. Let's clear the screen first. Now we can see that the box is running. So before rebooting it, let's uncomment this line and this line, and uncomment the line with vb.gui equal true to enable GUI. Let's save it. I'm going to use a command vagrant reload. It is the same as vagrant halt to shut down and vagrant up to start the machine. We can see that it starts up with a window for us to log in. Let's log in with a username vagrant and password vagrant as well, but it still has no GUI because our box doesn't have a display manager installed yet. Let me make this window larger a bit so you can see it. Let's update the package first by using the command sudo apt update. It will take a while. It is updated. We are going to install gdm3. Sudo apt install gdm3. Enter. Yes. This will take a while too. Now the installation finished. Clear the screen. Let's check the default display manager using cat/x11/default-display manager. We can see that gdm3 is the default display manager. Let's reboot the machine. Vagrant. Reload. Command. Since it starts with GUI, it will take a bit longer than without GUI. Is it working? Yay! It is working. Let's log in. Type in password. Vagrant. Enter. Now we have a beautiful graphical interface. Let's check what we have here by clicking Activities button. Let's start a terminal. It's not working. I don't know why, but I'm going to install GNOME terminal. From the command line, sudo apt install GNOME-terminal. Enter. The term sudo is not recognized as the name of a commandlet. Oh, I need to SSH into the box first. Vagrant SSH, enter. Now we are connected to the box. Clear the screen. So sudo apt install GNOME terminal. Enter. Yes. Now it's done. Go to our GUI to check the terminal. Here we can see that the terminal is installed. Let's run it. Next, I'm going to install Firefox. Sudo apt install Firefox. Enter. Yes. Now Firefox is installed. Let me maximize the window. Let's check activity. Here is Firefox. Let's start it. I'm going to close this tab. Going to google.com. Yay! We are connected to the internet now. Let's search Vagrant. So, we successfully installed a display manager and Firefox. Hope you enjoy it and see you in the next video.